On this page of Diazro.com, I've compiled a carefully curated Amazon kitchen gadgets list featuring the coolest kitchen gadgets on Amazon. These selections highlight the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon, many of which are priced under $20. You'll discover some of the highest-rated kitchen gadgets, including must-have kitchen tools from Amazon that are perfect for home chefs. From unusual kitchen gadgets on Amazon to essential items like the Amazon vegetable cutter, Amazon kitchen scale, and Amazon utensil sets, this list covers it all. Don't miss out on Amazon kitchen storage racks, Amazon kitchen scissors, and Amazon kitchen towels, which are also included. Plus, you'll find selections suitable for commercial kitchen equipment. Check out the page link in the description to explore the latest kitchen gadgets on Amazon and uncover the best Amazon kitchen finds right now, featuring top daily use products for your culinary needs. Moreover, you can visit the main Dozro page to explore all product categories. Amazon Direct product links on the Dozro website enhance your shopping experience by categorizing must-have items for easy navigation. This curated selection allows you to find perfect products on Amazon efficiently and enjoyably without hassle. I hope you enjoy my selection of the best Amazon products. By clicking on any link, you'll be directed straight to the corresponding Amazon page to consider your purchase. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the Dozro channel for more great finds.